let's try this. All right. Okay. What is the surroundings, or let's say setting? Setting means kind of 환경, a setting where all living things live together. What is this thing called? Anybody can answer this? You can open your book. It's better for you guys. Open your book, please. So you can open this page, Unit 19. It's page 54. So what is this a setting where all living things live together? Okay. What is this thing called? Okay, these are the clue. Environment. Okay, so the answer is very easy. All you got to do is unscramble those words that I just typed here. So what is it? The answer? What is the setting where all living things live together?
It is called the environment.
Yes, it is called the environment. Okay, good. All right, and actually, do only living things live in this setting? Live here? Okay. Do only living things live here?
No.
No? Okay, then. You see this? Living things and non-living things live here. Not only, all right? Not only living things, but also non-living things live here.
네, 근데 이거 몇 번이에요? 보러 가.
No, it's not. Still, these questions belongs to number 99. Number 99, okay? But also, not only non-living things and living things, okay, live here. And you guys can put them together in the right order. In the right order. Can you do it? So what does it say? What can you say here? Not only living things, but also non-living things live here. Okay, try it again. Do only living things live here? No, that's my question. Do all living things live here? Not only, but also. No. Okay, not only A, but also B. That means in Korean, A뿐만 아니라 B도 땡땡한다. Okay? Oh, also. Okay? All right. Try it again. Do only living things live here? Not only living things, but also non-living things live here. Good. Right. So what do plants and animals depend on? What do animals and plants and animals depend on? Do you guys remember depend on? What does that mean, depend on? Depend on means? That's right. Okay, then what can you say?
Animals depend on
No, you should say depend on our plants and animals one another. What is one another? One another. Can you guys what it means? Like 서로 서로. Okay? All right? Does that mean sometimes, no, always plants are eaten by animals, okay? So animals eat plants, and small animals are eaten by bigger animals, right? So, and even humans, like people, we consume both plants and animals. So we have to depend on plants and animals. Okay, so plants and animals depend on one another. One another means 서로 서로. So depend on means 의존하다, 의지하다. Okay? Okay. Name a few examples that belong to non-living things. And you guys can do it? Name means 이름을 나열해보세요. A few examples that belong to non-living things. What are the non-living things? They are water, air, and
soil.
yes, water, air, and soil. Those are non-living things. Okay? All right. You can find this, the answer here. You see this? Very easy. Okay? Okay. Did we do this part? Okay. You can describe means 설명 or 묘사하다 the relationship. So everybody relationship. That means 관계. All right? Between what is a predator? Yes, and prey. Okay, can you describe that? The relationship between the predators and prey? Okay, it's very. Let me give you some clues. Oops. Can you do it? Preys are consumed by predators. Okay? So predators feed on preys. Okay? Next. Okay. What is this ecosystem 생태계, right? What is this ecosystem where we can find lots of trees? So what is this ecosystem where we can find a lot of trees? What is this ecosystem? Here. Many trees and animals can be found in a forest. So, what is this place? What is this ecosystem? It's a forest. Okay? Okay? So, let's unscribe them. Unscribe them. Many trees are found. like a 발견된다 in a forest. Many trees are found in a forest. Okay. Okay. most animals have to blank for food in an ecosystem. Oops. What is it? What is it? Anybody? Oops. Yes, many animals have to blank for food in an ecosystem. Most animals have to blank for food in an ecosystem. What is it?
Compete.
Yes. Compete. What does that mean? Compete in Korean. 경쟁하다. Okay. Do you see this? Compete. Compete. Okay. All right. Like immigrants. Right. Both plants and animals have to blank.
Adapt.
Good. Their ecosystem. Okay? So what does that mean? Adapt.
적응하다.
That's right. So can you complete the sentence by putting the word you just said, like immigrants, 이민자들과 같이 both plants and animals have to adjust, 적응하다, to their ecosystem. Why? Why is that? It's because why? It's because each ecosystem constantly changes. 계속 어때? 이코시스템은 가만히 있지 않죠. 어쨌든 바뀌잖아요. 환경도 바뀌잖아요. 기후도 바뀌잖아요. Okay? Okay. If any organism fails to survive, 만일에 어떤 그 유기물이 생존하는 거, survive하는 걸 실패하면 it can be blank. 요거 기억하죠?
It can be.
No. Extinct. What is it? Extinct. 멸종하다. Okay? 멸종할 수 있죠. Why? What the heck? All right. So, now it's all of you guys need to give me your answers that you have on your paper, okay? So worksheet, you got the worksheets. Everything is filled up. Everything is filled out. Every question is filled out. I hope so. And what is the setting where all living things live together?
It is.
Actually, setting means, what does that mean, setting? I told you. It means 환경. Okay?
Yeah.
So, what is the setting where all living things live together? It is called the environment. It is called the environment. Okay?
Yes.
Very easy. Very easy. Because all you have to do is just unscramble the words like, given to you guys. All right. And do all living things live here?
Not only.
Do only living things live here? No. Not only. No. Not only living things,
Not only living things,
but also
non-living
non-living
live here.
things live here. Okay? Not only living things, but also non-living things live here. Okay? It's like both living things and non-living things. Living things coexist. 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 Say everybody, coexist.
Coexist.
That means 공존하다. Okay? Coexist. So we humans coexist. We, like plants and humans and animals, right? Every living organism coexists in this, like in this environment. Okay, like it's called the Earth. All right, number 100. What do plants and animals depend on?
Plants and
Good.
animals depend on one another.
That's right. Plants and animals depend on one another. One another. That means I told you. 서로 서로에게. Okay? Like what is the primary producers? What are the primary like 가장 기본적인 1차 producers of the ecosystem, like a nature. Guys, anybody? The primary 1차 소비, 1차 생산자. They are plants. Yeah? Plants are the primary producers. All right? So first consumers, like herbivores. Remember herbivores? Yeah, herbivores, they feed on plants. And the carnivores?
Carnivores eat herbivores.
Yeah, they eat herbivores. Okay? All right, so we actually have to depend on each other. We cannot live alone. All right? When the animals die, what happens? They are decomposed. Okay? And those decomposed elements of animals, including human beings, that are used to make the soil fertile. Fertile. What is fertile?
비료.
Yeah, 비옥한. 비료는 fertilizer. Good. 그래서 토양이 비옥하게 되려면 누가 비옥하게 돼요? 아까 죽은 동물들의?
사체.
맞아요. 동물들의 dead bodies. 사체들이 뭐 여러 가지 영양소를 포함하겠죠. 질소를 포함해서. 그러면 토양이 비옥해지면 그 비옥해진 토양의 혜택을 누가 받죠? Plant. 그러니까 어떻게? 순환을 circulate. 예, 맞아요. 순환을 하고 있는 거죠. And name a few examples that belong to. So everybody belong to. 이거는 어디에 속하다라는 말이에요. 어디에 속하다? Non-living things에 속한 게 뭐가 있을까요?
살지 않은 것들.
그렇죠. They are
Water,
something we breathe in, air,
water,
water,
and soil.
and soil. Okay?
Yep.
Like 공기, 물, 토양. And describe the relationship between predators and prey. Very simple. Preys,
Or
mostly they are weak in strength, okay? They don't have power because they are actually fed by like bigger predators like animals, like mammals. Preys are, so everybody, consumed.
consumed.
Okay, consume, it means 소비하다. Okay?
Yeah.
먹다란 말이죠. So preys are consumed by predators.
Predators.
그렇죠. 이거를 한국말로 굳이 바꾸면요. 먹이들은 포식자들에 의해서 소비된다. 소비하다가 아니고 소비되어지다. 수동태라는 거 기억하죠? So preys are consumed by predators. Good. And number 103, we have, what is the ecosystem where we find lots of trees? When you go there, you see a lot of trees, a lot of plant trees, even fungi like 곰팡이, right? A lot of small plants, big plants, shrubs, grass, wildflowers, even fruits, bearing plants. We see all kinds of plants. What is this place?
Many
Many
trees
trees
are found
are found,
in a forest.
yes, in a forest. So, forest is one of the typical, one of the most well-known ecosystems in on the earth. So many trees are found. Like this is also 수동태. 많은 뭐야? 나무들이 발견된다. 어디에? In a forest. 숲에. 숲에. Okay, most animals have to compete.
먹이를 왜 경쟁을
맞아요. 경쟁하다요. 그래서 대부분의 동물들은 어디요? 한 이코시스템, 생태계에서 먹이 때문에 경쟁을 해야 합니다. Compete. Actually, you guys, you know, every student, you know, competes. 사실은 우리나라도 competes for grades. 예, 성적 때문에 경쟁을 하긴 하죠. 좀 슬픈 현실이긴 하지만. Like immigrant, 이민자들, okay? 이민자들처럼 both A and B는 A, B 둘 다란 말이에요. Both plants, animal. 식물과 동물 둘 다 have to
adapt to.
yes, adapt. A-D-A-P-T, adapt, meaning 적응하다. 어디에 적응해야 돼요? To their ecosystem. 그들의 생태계에 적응을 해야 돼요. 왜 그럴까요? It is because 때문이에요. Each ecosystem. 우리가 지금 계속 말해왔던 각 생태계는 constantly.
끊임없이.
오, constantly means 끊임없이. 잘했어요. 끊임없이 뭐예요?
바뀌어요.
맞아, changes. 3인칭 단수이기 때문에 S 붙이는 거 주의하세요. changes. constantly changes. 끊임없이 생태계는 변합니다. Number 106. If 만일에 an organism 하나의 유기체가 유기물 또는 종이 되겠죠. 유기물이나 종들이라고 species라 적어주세요. species가 종이죠. 식물의 종, 동물의 종입니다. If any organism fails, 실패해요. 많은 것. survive.
살아남는 것.
맞아요. 생존을 해야 되는데 생존하는 것을 실패하게 되면 it can be extinct. 멸종하다. 이거 주의해야 될 철자가 이거요. 이거 팅이 약간 철자 저기 쓰긴 하지만 잘 안 들리는 거지. 자, extinct.
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 맞아요.